In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sell like a pro on Facebook Marketplace. We'll cover what to list, how to price it, how to present it, when to post, and how to close deals quickly, all in a simple, repeatable process. Start by choosing items that move fast. Think phones and gadgets, furniture, appliances, branded clothes and shoes, baby gear, bikes, and tools. Skip slow movers like overused items, broken electronics, and overpriced collectibles. High demand items attract more views, more messages, and faster sales. Next, price it right. A reliable rule is to set your price about 5 to 15% lower than similar listings in your area. Check competitor prices and leave a small room for negotiation so buyers feel they're getting a win. Use prices that feel friendly to the eye. $1,099 often feels cheaper than to the 100, even if the difference is small. Photos make or break your listing. Shoot in natural light with a clean background, show multiple angles, and include close-ups of important details and any flaws. Wipe down the item, stage it neatly, and avoid stock photos. Real, clear images build confidence and help your listing stand out. Write a title that stops the scroll. Include the brand, condition, and a key benefit. For example, instead of "for sale," try something like new smartphone, no issues, ready to use. Short, descriptive, and specific works best. Keep your description short and honest. Include the condition, size, or model, any issues, your general location, and accepted payment methods. Buyers skim, so make the essentials obvious. Honesty builds trust and prevents cancellations. Post at the best times for visibility. Evenings from 7 o'clock to 10 o'clock p.m. and mornings from 6 o'clock to 8 o'clock a.m. tend to perform well, and weekends often sell faster. If you can, schedule your listing to go live during these windows. After posting, share your listing to 5 to 10 relevant local buy and sell groups. Choose groups that match your item and location, and avoid spamming. More exposure means more potential buyers. Respond fast to messages. Facebook rewards quick responders with better visibility. Aim to reply within minutes. Be polite and confirm availability clearly. For example, "Yes, it's available. We can meet near the mall later today." Offer small incentives to tip buyers over the edge. Free nearby delivery, a small discount for same-day pickup, or a simple freebie. If it hasn't sold after 3 to 5 days, refresh it. Adjust the price slightly, renew or repost, and improve photos. Fresh listings get more views. Finally, build trust. Use a real profile, complete your details, collect positive ratings, and be honest and punctual. Avoid common mistakes like overpricing, slow replies, fake photos, poor descriptions,